This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, then pull the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Unclip the safety prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the holes on the bonnet underside. Rotate the engine oil filler cap 90 degrees anti-clockwise and remove it. Pull the engine cover upwards to release the rubber mountings. Refit the filler cap to prevent contamination. Slide out the locking catches and disconnect the wiring plugs from the ignition coils. Undo the 2 retaining bolts and pull the ignition coils from the top of the spark plugs. Unscrew the spark plugs, ensuring that the socket is kept in alignment with each plug. If the socket is forcibly moved to either side, the porcelain top of the plug may be broken off. Remove the plugs from the engine. Fit a short length of plastic or rubber hose over the end of the spark plug. The flexible hose acts as a universal joint to help align the plug with the plug hole. Should the plug begin to cross thread, the hose will slip on the spark plug, preventing thread damage to the cylinder head. Apply a little high temperature grease to the threads, then insert the spark plugs and tighten them by hand. Tighten the plugs to the specified torque. Refit the ignition coils, pressing them firmly down onto the top of the spark plugs. Insert the retaining bolts and tighten them securely. Reconnect the wiring plugs to the ignition coils and press in the locking catches to secure them. Remove the filler cap, then position the cover over its mountings and press it down firmly into place. Refit the filler cap. Detach the end of the prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the slam panel. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.